What's up YouTube, Big Boy Lance here, and I'm back after a long break because I've been busy sa aking mga exam. So today guys, we're back for a new unboxing videos. And oo nga pala guys, nagtataka siguro kayo kung bakit kami lumipat dito. Kasi guys, sobrang init sa studio room. Napawisan kami. Kaya dito kami guys lumipat sa aking kwarto dahil kailangan namin ng aircon para chill. So let's go! So now we have a sneaker to unbox for my Tito Grelan, who's starting his collection of Jordans. It comes with a special edition box. So yun guys, magsalita imaginary friend. And guys, it has different shapes all over it, and it has a Jumpman logo, a gold Jumpman logo at the center. Alright guys, so let's open the box. Baba ko lang guys, mic ko. Wow! Ang ganda nito guys. First time ko lang mag-review ng Jordan 4. Ang ganda. And mamaya guys, yung Onfeet natin ito. Sobrang ganda. Okay guys, so ang tawag dito guys, ang Fiba airjordan 4. Yan guys. So meron tayo dito extra magic guys. So abracadabra. So may nakikita kayo guys? Wala. So tingnan natin. Abracadabra. Ay, may lumusot. Wow! Meron tayo guys, extra navy blue lace and extra white lace. This was made especially for the 2019 Basketball World Cup. So medyo late na guys ang review nito dahil 2020 na, but it's a new shoe, so we're gonna review it. Alright, first up, as you can see, the whole upper of this sneaker is made of a gym red tumbled leather with hints of navy blue in the eyelets, midsole, and the inner liner. One of the striking features of this shoe is that it's got some intriguing icon detail in place of the traditional mesh. Each motif in the underlying collage represents the competing nations in 2019's Fiba World Cup, drawing from stars, crosses, and symbols shown on their national flags. Moving on to the tongue, we got this red tumbled leather with the Jumpman patch at the center in navy and red. And to finish it off, we got this red flat lace. At the back of the tongue, we have this navy colored lining with a patch saying "For the love of the game." Now onto the back, we have this leather pull tab with a stitched gold Jumpman logo. Lastly, we have this navy blue and white midsole and a typical Jordan 4 outsole. Here's the Onfeet look. So this sticker is pretty dope and would really look good with joggers and jeans. So if you're looking for a red Jordan that might be on sale, definitely check this out. This is a good alternative for the new Jordan 3 red cements that are sold out in most retail stores and is probably in the hands of a reseller. Alright guys, so that's it for today's guys, video of our unboxing of the Jordan 4 Fiba. So, diba Fiba? So, please follow me on Instagram on Lance Pineda Vlogs and please follow me on Facebook on Lance Pineda Vlogs. Don't forget to click the notification button for Lance Pineda Vlogs. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace and God bless. Bye-bye.